dense rubber, very different from a tennis ball. This is what you want. Tennis ball is not going to be enough if you really need to be doing these things. What you're going to do for getting behind in the attachment in the hamstrings, kind of like in behind your knee. That's a spot that just comes up on people a lot. This one, you're going to put the ball on the chair and you're going to lean back, and you can actually roll all these fibers. You can go all directions. So again, using my hands a little bit, and then just moving my leg and using my hips to shift to get into that area. You can sit all the way back for a little bit of a trigger point if you want. Again, still gonna be better for you to get in there with a massage therapist that knows what they're doing, but this is gonna be helpful for relieving it if it's something that bothers you when you sit at a desk all day or after you travel or something like that. So a good way to change up how you manage this is to also be able to move the leg in and out like this. So you're able to get into those fibers, really shifting that around, and then also shifting this way.